Wildfire has substantial impacts on water quality and drinking water quality. We saw some pretty dramatic increases in a lot of the chemicals that are in the water that are associated with the fire. Loveland's lucky in that we have different sources of our drinking water. So I'm standing right next to the Hanson Feeder Canal, which is part of the Colorado Big Thompson project, and the water comes from the western slope. We have Green Ridge Glade Reservoir, which is actually fed initially by the Hanson Feeder Canal. We recently installed a pipe that takes water directly from the Hanson Feeder Canal, so if we want to bypass the reservoir, we can do that. We have an intake right off the Big Thompson River. So we have a lot of redundancy in the system, which helps reduce the risk from losing any one source. While we obviously have a lot of control of what goes on within the city limits, we have less control in the area that's really important to us, which is the entire Big Thompson River watershed. For that source water protection, we rely on our partners, Big Thompson Watershed Coalition, Loveland Fire and Rescue, Larimer Conservation District, Northern Water, Larimer County, and Bureau of Reclamation. Those organizations have been great with doing a lot of the source protection work that we'd like to see done.
The primary role of the Water Quality Lab is to sample and monitor our source water. We do 18 sites from Estes down to Loveland, all off of the river and on the river. Along with sampling, we also use a device called a sonde. It measures multiple water quality parameters such as temperature, dissolved oxygen, and chlorophyll. And then we bring those samples back and we run analysis for various water quality parameters to help aid treatment to ensure that we are meeting and exceeding the state and federal standards.
One of the things that you'll find for overhead systems is a device called an interrupter. It's a smart interrupting switch that protects the circuit from any downstream faults. So it protects anything that's around that circuit that could be sparking from actually causing any kind of wildfire around the equipment.
Drones have really been used more for transmission line inspections. Distribution line inspections are somewhat new, and we're one of the municipalities that's an early adopter. This drone has a zoom camera that can get very close to the equipment, and we can inspect it for cracks or evidence of electrical arcing, something that you just can't see from the ground. With the thermal camera, it allows us to see hot spots that we can't see with the naked eye. It's an opportunity for us to make sure that the system is maintained in the best possible manner.